$3,000, one machine, 0 employees, and a piece of equipment that earns money while you are asleep, at work, or on vacation. This is the vending machine business, and almost everything you have heard about it online is either exaggerated or wrong. Here's the honest version, with the real numbers. The U.S. vending industry moves $18 billion a year through roughly 3 million machines across the country. It is not a trend. It's one of the oldest passive income businesses in existence, and it still works because the fundamentals never changed. People get hungry and thirsty in places where there is nothing else to buy. You fill that gap. Let us spend your $3,000 properly. Skip the secondhand machine from Facebook Marketplace, no matter how tempting the price looks. Operators who have done this for years say the same thing every time. You save $1,000 up front and lose it the moment the compressor fails with 0 warranty to fall back on. A new combo machine, one that sells both snacks and drinks, costs between $3,000 and $6,000 from manufacturers like AMS, Royal, or Sega. It comes with a warranty. That warranty is the actual product you're buying, not the machine. Initial inventory to fully stock it runs $200 to $500. A cashless payment reader is not optional anymore. 84% of vending transactions now happen by card or phone tap. Skipping this feature alone gives up 30 to 40% of your potential revenue before you even open. Budget $300 to $500 for the reader installation. Your business license costs $50 to $150. General liability insurance, $40 to $100 a month, and this protects you if someone claims a product hurt them or they slipped near your machine. All in, your first machine costs between $3,500 and $4,500, fully stocked and ready to place. If your budget is tighter, lease-to-own programs exist that let you access a machine for around $230 a month with a small buyout at the end, a way to start with almost no cash up front. Now here's the part nobody explains clearly. What does one machine actually make? A single well-placed machine generates somewhere between $150 and $400 in gross revenue. After product cost, location commission, and servicing, your real net profit on one machine lands between $40 and $120 a month. Read that again, because this is where most online videos lie to you. One machine is not going to replace your income. It's a small, steady stream. The business works through volume. 10 machines placed well generate $300 to $600 a month net. 15 machines start to function as legitimate part-time income. 50 machines is what a full-time vending operator runs. This is not a get-rich-quick business. It's a compounding one. Each profitable machine funds the next purchase. At $150 net a month, one machine pays for a brand new refurbished unit in 15 to 20 months. 5 machines fund a new purchase every 3 to 4 months. The growth accelerates once you have a base. Location is the single biggest variable in this entire business, more important than the machine itself. The same machine that nets $40 a month in a quiet 30-person office can net $400 a month in a 24-hour gym. Here's where to focus first. Manufacturing plants and warehouses with shift workers, 24-hour demand, a captive audience, and usually nothing nearby to compete with you. Gyms, especially ones open all the clock. Protein bars, sports drinks, and electrolyte mixes carry strong margins, and people buy them without hesitation. Apartment complexes with 200 or more units, built-in daily demand, 0 competition inside the building. How do you actually land these locations? You call or walk in and ask for the property manager or facilities manager. You offer the machine completely free to install. You keep all the profit, they get a convenience for their employees or tenants at 0 cost to them. Most property managers say yes immediately because there's no downside for them. You sign a 1-year location agreement, which most machine suppliers will give you a template for. That's the entire negotiation. Now, what kills new vending operators? Buying the machine before securing a location. This is the single most common mistake. You end up with the machine sitting in your garage for months while you cold call businesses. Reverse the order. Lock in a location first, then buy the machine that fits it. Stocking what you personally like instead of what actually sells. Track sales weekly from day one and adjust your product mix every 30 days. A gym wants protein bars, not candy. An office wants chips and soda, not energy drinks. Match the location, not your own taste. Skipping insurance to save $40 a month. If a product causes an allergic reaction or someone slips near your machine, an uninsured claim can wipe out years of profit from a single incident. Ignoring maintenance. Set aside $25 to $50 per machine per month for repairs. A jammed machine that sits broken for 2 weeks is a location that quietly starts looking for a competitor to replace you. Here's your scaling and exit path. Once you have 5 profitable machines, you're reinvesting net profit into machines 6 and 7 without touching your own savings again. At 10 to 15 machines, you're running a real route, 1 or 2 days a week of restocking and collecting. The rest of your time is free. At this stage, many operators add micro-markets, which are small, unstaffed convenience setups in corporate break rooms. 60% of mid to large workplaces are now adopting these, and they generate dramatically more revenue per location than a standard machine. And vending routes are genuinely sellable assets, one of the few side businesses with a clean, documented exit. Established routes typically sell for 1.5 to 3 times their annual seller's discretionary earnings. A route of 15 machines, clearing $12,000 a year in net profit, can sell for $18,000 to $36,000. You built that asset, 1 machine at a time, starting with $3,000. $3,000, 1 properly chosen location, a machine with a warranty behind it. That's the real starting point, not the passive income fantasy social media sells, but a genuine, compounding business if you treat it like one. If breakdowns like this are useful to you, subscribe to the channel. Every video, we take one real business, dig into the actual numbers, and show you exactly what it takes to build it from the ground up.